In my previous video, I discussed the top 10 most Googled questions about business and entrepreneurship. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link below after the end of this video. So make sure you check that out. Now you're gonna wanna stick around for this video because I'm gonna continue answering the most Googled questions, and I guarantee that some of these questions are going to actually shock you. What is an entrepreneur? Basically, an entrepreneur is just a business owner, anybody who's making their primary income source through a business is an entrepreneur. The fastest way to become an entrepreneur is to launch a business, make it successful, and make this your primary income source. Now, there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there who have a business idea, who maybe have started something but aren't actually making money. Now, if you really truly want to be an entrepreneur, you need to make a business, you need to earn income and make that your primary source of income. What are the best books for entrepreneurs? Now, I would suggest finding 2 or 3 different books. One book that's going to be a mindset shift for entrepreneurship. One of my favorite is The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. This really is going to give you the right mindset for starting with entrepreneurship. The second book that I would recommend is something very specific to your niche. If you're looking to get better at sales, you can find a book in sales. If you're looking to find something about advertising, one of my favorite books is Cashvertising because it gives real case studies and real psychological beliefs around buying online and why people buy certain price points. Now find a book that's going to help in the macro and then find another book that's going to help in the micro, meaning the actual day-to-day work. How to write a business plan. Essentially, this is going to be something that is actually very important to launching a business. A business plan is essentially going to figure out what your business is, who are you going to be selling to, and how is this all going to happen? And essentially, if you're able to answer all these questions, just search online for an online business plan template and you'll find everything you need. I would say keep this to 1 to 2 pages. You don't need to spend 30 to 40 pages on a business plan unless it's going to be something really complex. Most businesses can be shortened to 1 or 2 pages. Anything more than that and you're just overcomplicating things. What are the best business bank accounts? I personally use Charles Schwab. This has been something that I've used for the past 10 years. They're really great for international clients because they don't charge any international ATM fees. They reimburse you for all those. They have a really great support. Anytime that I need to call them, I don't have to wait for minutes or hours to get a hold of somebody. It usually takes 30 seconds to get on the phone with somebody. And they just offer a wide range of services that are going to allow you to structure the best business and to receive payments and to pay out as well. How to advertise your business. Now, the biggest advertising platforms are going to be Google and Facebook. You can get on those platforms and figure out how to start advertising to your customers. They're both going to have a little bit different audiences, but I have had really good results with both these platforms. Advertising on Facebook and then also advertising on YouTube, but there's a wide range of options to advertise through Google search, through Google Shopping, and also through YouTube ads. What's the best software to record business transactions? Now, there's a lot of software out there, but the best ones are going to be Zoho and Accounting with AK. These two are free accounting softwares that you can use to record all of your business transactions to do bookkeeping online. But if you're looking to pay for services, there's going to be things like QuickBooks, but that's going to cost a little bit extra. What are the best credit cards for small businesses? My 3 favorite are the Amex Gold Business Card and the Chase Ink Business Card. These 2 cards are going to be great if you're going to be doing any type of online advertisements. The 3rd card that I love is just the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is the card that I'm using for 99% of my transactions. The other percentage is going to be daily transactions versus business expenses. The Amex and the Chase Ink are going to be used for all my online business advertisements. So the reason the Ink and the Amex are so good is they give you a 3 or 5x for every dollar you spend. So every dollar you spend on advertisement, you're getting around 5 points back, and this can really add up over time. How to spell business? Business. What is an LLC business? It stands for Limited Liability Company, and essentially this is going to give you a sense of risk diversification. It's going to reduce your risk by essentially limiting your personal assets and your company assets in different areas. So if somebody tries to sue you, they can only go after your business assets and not your personal assets. So it's a really common structure for most business owners. But again, you need to check to make sure that it's going to be the best fit for your current business structure. And you're going to want to check with a financial professional to make sure an LLC is the best fit for your business. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and hit the bell notification icon. Also, if there wasn't one of your questions answered that you have about business or entrepreneurship, make sure to leave a comment below, because I'll go ahead and actually answer any of your questions that you have about business, about entrepreneurship, travel, or anything in between.